Hello, Procreate and to paint such a multicolor brush stroke like in Adobe Fresco, only in Procreate. I do this video because someone told me this was done in Adobe Fresco or other app, and she could do it. She couldn't do it. Okay, I demonstrate how it works. It's not very complicated. I create a new canvas, blank, and add a photo with a, or you can paint your own colored pattern. This is the starting pattern, and you don't have to create a new brush. You can use a monoline. I use now the normal monoline and use it as a smudge brush. This is a standard monoline, and here in the path settings reduce it to nothing, and in the properties change only the smudge finger to maximum size, and here you can adjust also the size of the monoline brush. Adjust it here a little bit to make it bigger, and pressure settings as you like, and then adjust here your brush and pick your brush in the pattern and start painting. And you can do only one brush stroke. When you pick the next one, it changes the color, but the effect is yes, this multicolor stroke. Okay, go back, and you can change perhaps the pressure settings with the Apple Pencil, with the pressure that it changes, and here you can do such funny things and pick it here. Yes, that's it. And it's you can go to the brush settings and set it back, and now it's the normal smudge behavior. Okay, that's it. Ciao. Oops.